Welcome to aminacademy.com. Let us do Tamil Nadu Higher Secondary Second Year Maths Textbook 2, Exercise 7.7, Question number 1. Find intervals of concavity and point of inflection for the following function. Question number 2. F of x equals sin x plus cos x, where x is greater than 0 and lesser than 2 pi. Here the function f of x equal sin x plus cos x, where x is greater than 0 and lesser than 2 pi. Now first, f dash of x, that is differentiate f of x, it gives sin x differentiation is cos x differentiation is minus sin x. Then f 2 dash of x equal minus sin x minus cos x. Then we have to substitute f dash of x equals 0, equate f dash of x, f2 dash of x is 0. Then we can get it minus sin x minus cos x equal 0. Here we can put minus sin x is sin of minus x equal cos x. Then we can say x is 3 pi by 4, because it's 3 pi by 4, and as well as 7 pi by 4. Three pi by 4, 7 pi by 4, and 2 pi. Now the possible intervals are here 0, 3 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4, then 7 pi by 4 to 2 pi. These are our intervals. Now let us fill the table. Now the interval first interval is 0 to 3 pi by 4, and 3 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4, and 7 pi by 4 to 2 pi. Here sin of f2 dash of x, we are checking the sign of the double derivative, second derivative. Here in between here double derivative is here, second derivative is pi by 4, x is pi by 4. Here x is pi by 4, we have minus sin x minus cos x, minus here pi by 4 is, so f dash of x is minus sin x is minus 1 by root 2, minus cos x is minus 1 by root 2. This is a minus sign. So next in this 3 pi, next interval 3 pi by 4 to 7 pi by 4, say x is pi. Pi means f2 dash of x is minus sin pi minus cos pi is 0, minus of minus 1 is 1. Therefore, it is a positive. Now, next interval 7 pi by 4 to 2 pi is x, suppose, say x is 320 degrees. Now, f2 dash of x equal minus sin 320 minus cos 320, which is minus sin 320 is cos 60 and minus sin 60. So here 1 by root 2 minus root 3 by 2, which is equal negative sign. So we'll talk about the concavity. Here this negative means concave downward. The curve is concave downward, concave up, it's a positive, concave up, concave down. Now we fill the table now. Next is f of x is concave upward. F2 dash first. F2 dash of x is concave upward in the interval 3 pi 4 and 7 pi by 4, and concave downward in 0, concave downward in 0 to 3 pi, 0 to 3 pi by 4 and 0 3 by 4 and 7 pi by 4, 2 pi. Here this is concave downward. Now therefore, since f2 dash of x changes its sign from negative to positive, negative to positive at 3 pi by 4, at 3 pi by 4. Look at here from 3 pi by 4, that negative to positive, that is downward to upward, changes. And positive to negative, and positive to negative at 7 pi by 4, that is here positive to negative 7 pi by 4, here positive to negative value. Therefore we can find function f of 3 pi by 4 is sin 3 pi by 4 plus cos 3 pi by 4, which is equal, here sin 3 pi by 4 we can write it like sine of pi minus pi by 4 plus cos of pi minus pi by 4. Sine pi by 4 means second quadrant positive, that is, which is sine pi by 4. Here it's negative cos pi by 4. Sine pi by 4 is 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 equals 0. Then point of inflection are 3 pi by 4 and f of 3 pi by 4 is 0. And also if we put the second value, that is 7 pi by 4 to 0, the point changes, that means the point of inflection you can write before that. First write 3 pi by 4 f of 3 pi by 4, and one more point of inflection is 7 pi by 4 and f of 7 pi by 4. Now let us calculate f of 3 pi by 4 equal sine 3 pi by 4 plus cos 3 pi by 4. Here 3 pi by 4 we can split like sine of pi minus pi by 4 plus cos of pi minus pi by 4. This we can write sine of pi by 4, because second quadrant positive, sine is positive, this negative, cos is negative, there cos of pi by 4, which is equal 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2. So it is 0. Then even for f of, similarly 7 pi by 4 gives sine of 7 pi by 4 plus cos of 7 pi by 4. 7 pi by 4 we can write as 2 pi by 4 sine of 2 minus pi by 4 plus cos of 2 pi minus pi by 4. This also gives sine of pi by 4 minus cos of pi by 4. Also same values like we are getting here 1 by root 2 minus 1 by root 2 equal to 0. Therefore, points of inflection are, first is 3 pi by 4 for regarding value of y is 0 and f of x is 0. Here 7 pi by 4 regarding f of x value is 0. Therefore, we got 2 point of inflections. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.